The Whirlpool washer F03 E01 error code indicates an issue with detecting water levels and is typically caused by a faulty water level sensor, faulty wiring between the pressure switch and the control board, or a software glitch. To fix this error, start by checking the water level sensor. Unplug the machine. Remove the bottom access panel to locate the sensor, and use a multimeter to check for continuity. If there's no continuity, the sensor may be damaged and need replacement. Once replaced, reassemble the washer and plug it back in. Next, inspect the wiring between the control board and the pressure switch by powering off the machine, removing the top and back access panels, and checking the wires for looseness or damage. Test the wires for continuity and replace any damaged ones. Then reboot the machine. If the issue persists, try powering off the machine, letting it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and then powering it back up. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.